Okay, this is the finger joint exercise #2 because we've finished our box, all right, or whatever shape you've got. Yours might have multiple, whatever. Anyway, this is for the example we've got. A common error, though, I want to throw out here that has been made when we started making that box was the fact that we made our face, then we extruded the side at 200 mil. But what we did do, if we go to look at that side, is we made that extrusion from this point to here 200 mil. And the face from that point to the other end is 200 mil. But what we did on the side here was we added whatever the length of the finger was to both ends. So now it's not exactly a box, it's a rectangle. So maybe sorry, it's not exactly a square. It's a rectangle. Maybe that really matters. That's an extra 6 mil because we put an extra 3 mil at this end, an extra 3 mil at that end. But you can change that now. I'll show you that very quickly. Then I'll show you how we get the sketches of these faces to be able to laser cut. All right. First, what we would have to find out is which extrusion it was. It was, for the first side, extrusion number 2. So when we open that up, it shouldn't be 200. If we added the fingers each end, 3 at each end, would be -6. So it would be 194. Okay? And if I say enter on that, and yes, see that, oh, things look a bit weird there because we haven't done the other one yet. Don't worry about it too much just yet. We need to find the other extrusion. Was it 3? No. Was it 4? 4? No. Was it 5? Yes. 5. Let's open up 5, 200, and we'll make that one 194. Oops, that was 94. 194. And say yes to that. Oh, it all came together nicely now. Yeah, so we're good now because it is quite literally from face to face, the 200 that we wanted. All right, so don't, you can always adjust things afterwards. Now we need to get these sketches off because if we click on these sketches, if we go, there we go, that sketch is still a rectangle. Yeah, so we're going to go off of that now. And we need to get the sketch once it's got the fingers in because that's what we want the laser cut to do. Here's how we do that. We need to go into sketch mode. We need to select the face that we want the sketch outline to be laser cut. So we select that face. Yeah. Then we go up to, where is it? This one here. Use intersection. Yeah, it might be defaulted to use. So we go intersection. We then select that face and we see all the points come up now of where that sketch is. Okay. So when we tick that box, it comes up as called sketch 11. What is that? Let's not just call these sketch 11. Let's right click in here and we will rename that side. That'll be side box, front, whatever it happens to be, so that you can determine what later. Okay, so if I click out of that, side now becomes, we can see when I highlight it, it's literally the shape that we want it to be. Yeah, I'll go left just so that we see that, and there we go, side. So the original sketch, though, where do we find that? It might be up here somewhere. 6, 7, no, after there. 4, 3, oops, 2. No, I'm just trying to see where the sketch is that you can see that it's not got all the identifying finger joints in. Either way, it doesn't really matter. This one now would be a right click, export as DXF. Yeah, it might default to DWG. Make sure it is DXF. Download, and it's called side as well, finger joints complete side. Export and cancel that. Now we'll go into the file that you can then look at another tutorial of how to get it into Illustrator, what to do with it so it can get cut. Okay, That's it for this session. Thanks.